Okay, hello. Today one Volvo has a problem with the exhaust, and if you can see, then there is a broken bolt over here between this as well here, this side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the grinder, cut this one off, same with that other one, because this is pretty much gone as well. There is no bolt head even left, and replace those bolts and should be good to go, I think. So in order to change out those two bolts, I released this metal bracket from here and two rubber struts holding the exhaust up there, so I have enough clearance in order to fit angle grinder properly. I have small one as well, but it is what it is. It's much easier to do with the bolt. Situation is like that. Pretty much have to drill this side bolt out. It won't budge even with the air hammer. I got the other side through, this side through, nothing. This one came out pretty easy, but this one is giving me a little bit of headache. So I have drilled it and I'm going to cut it through. Sorry for loud noises, the tractor is blowing the snow outside. Okay, back with the telephone camera, GoPro died. Anyway, what I did, I needed to cut this second bolt through because it did not budge even with the air hammer, nothing. So I drilled it through. Same way I did this hole a little bit bigger because the new bolts otherwise would not fit. Now it's going through pretty nicely.